So you are given this relation, y varies inversely as 1 over x. So we write the equation based on this relationship. So y equals to k over x. Okay, first we have to find the value of k. So to find the value of k, we must have x and y. So from this table, you are given 4 pairs of values of x and y. Okay, 4 pairs. You can use any one. Okay, for example, I use this one. When x equals to 1, y equals to 3. So you have 3 equals to k over 1. So k equals to 3 times 1, which is 3. So we put back the value of k into this equation. So y equals to 3 over x. So normally this is the answer. But we notice that a, b, c, d, there's no equation looks like this. So we have to rearrange this equation. So we put this x to left hand side. Then you will have xy equals to 3. So b is answer. Number 2, y varies inversely as x minus 3 power 1 over 2. So I advise you to highlight the keyword first. Varies inversely. Okay, therefore, the relation between y and x is y varies inversely means 1 over x minus 3 power 1 over 2. Okay, then we write the equation y equals to k over x minus 3 power 1 over 2. Okay, then we have to find the value of k. So using this one, y equals to 2 and x equals to 7. Okay, so you substitute in the value of y and x to this equation. So you will have 2 equals to k over 7 minus 3 power 1 over 2. So 2 equals to k, 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, power 1 over 2 means square root. Okay, so 2 equals to k over 2. Therefore, you will have k equals to 2 times 2, 4. Okay, put back the value of k to this equation. You will have y equals to 4 x minus 3. Okay, power 1 over 2 means square root. Then we continue. Find the value of x when y equals to 4. So when y equals to 4, 4 x minus 3. Okay, you rearrange this equation. Therefore, x minus 3 equals to 4 over 4. Okay, so square root x minus 3 equals to 4 over 4 is 1. Okay, then we have to put square both sides. Okay, we square both sides so that the square root will disappear. Okay, we square both sides. Then square root, square, cancel. So left hand side you're left with x minus 3 equals to 1 square is 1. So x equals to 1 plus 3, which is 4. Okay, so the answer is B, donkey. Number 3, table shows the values of P, Q, and R. Okay, same thing. We highlight the keyword first. Varies directly and varies inversely. Okay, then we write down the relation. P varies directly as Q. Inversely, so over square of R, so R squared. Okay, so the equation is P equals to KQ over R squared. Okay, we have to find the value of K first. So we use this pair of PQR to find the value of K. So P equals to 15, K, Q equals to 3, and R equals to 4. Okay, so 3K equals to 15 times 4 squared. 15 times 4 squared is 16. Okay, then you calculate 15 times 16. 240. So K equals to 240 divided by 3. 80. Okay, we have to put back the value of K into the original equation. So P equals to 80 Q over R squared. Okay, we continue with the second pair of PQR. So P equals to 16, 80, Q is 5, over R is M squared. Okay, so 16M squared equals to 400. Okay, continue here. So M squared equals to 400 divided by 16. 25. So M equals to square root 25, which is 5. So the answer is C. Number 4. Table shows the values of PQR connected by equation P equals to KQ over R squared. Find the value of K and X. Okay, so we are given P equals to KQ over R squared. We use the first pair of PQR to find the value of K first. So P equals to 4 equals K, Q is 8 over R is 2. square. Okay, so 4, 2 square is 4. So 4 times 4 equals to 8k. 16 equals to 8k. So k equals to 16 divided by 8, 2. So k equals to 2, a and b out. We have to find the value of x. Okay, so before that, put back the value of k to this equation. Okay, I use another color. Okay, then we will have p equals to, k is 2, we find out 2q over r squared. Okay, then by using the second pair of PQR, we can find the value of x. P is 36, 36 over equals to q is 2 over r squared, r is x squared. Okay, so 36 x squared equals to 2 times 2, 4. So x squared equals to 4 over 36. 1 over 9. So x equals to square root 1 over 9. So x equals to 1 over 3. So the answer is C. Given A varies directly as B and C, and A equals to 36, blah blah blah, calculate the value of B. Okay, so using this relation, we can write down the equation. A equals to K, B, C. Okay, and then use this. A equals to 36, B equals to 2, and C equals to 9. So you will have 36 equals to K, B is 2, and C is 9. Okay, so 36 equals to 18K. So K equals to 36 over 18, 2. Okay, we have to put back the value of K to this equation. So A equals to 2BC. Okay, now we have to find the value of B when A equals to 20 and C equals to 1 over 2. So A equals to 20 equals to 2, B is unknown, C is 1 over 2. Okay, simplify it. So this is 1B. So B equals to 20. The answer is boy. Okay, number 6. So we highlight the keyword first. Given V varies directly as T and inversely as the square of R. Okay, so we'll have V varies directly as T and inversely means over, as the square of R. So you have R squared. Okay, then the equation will be V equals to KT over R squared. Move this R squared out. It will become V equals to KT R negative 2. Okay, then you just compare with this one. V, K, T, T. So P equals to, this is 1. P equals to 1 and Q equals to negative 2. Okay, so the answer is C. Number 7. Okay, so we highlight the keyword first. Given X varies inversely as Y and Z. Okay, so the relation will be X varies inversely means 1 over Y and Z. The equation is X equals to K over Y, Z. Okay, so we have to find the value of K. We use the first pair of X, Y, and Z. X equals to D, K is unknown, Y is E, and Z is 2. Okay, so K equals to D multiplied with 2E. So you have 2DE. Okay, so K equals to 2, DE equals to 7, given from the question. Okay, so 7. So K equals to 14. Okay, so now we put back the value of K to this equation. And you will have X equals to 14 over YZ. Okay, now we use the second pair to find the value of M. X is 1 over 2 equals to 14, Y is M, and Z is 7. Right, so 7M equals to 14 over 1 over 2. So you will have 28. Therefore, M equals to 28 divided by 7, 4. The answer is both. Number 8. Okay, highlight the keyword. W varies inversely as a square root of V. Okay, so the relation will be W inversely means 1 over square root of V. Okay, so square root of V. Okay, the equation will be W equals to K over square root V. Okay, using the first pair of V and W. So W equals to 2 over 3 equals to K over V is 9. So square root 9. Okay, square root 9 is 3. So 3 multiplied with 2 over 3. 3 multiplied with 2 over 3 equals to K. Okay, simplify. So 2. K equals to 2. Then you put back the value of K to this equation. W equals to 2 over square root V. Then we use the second pair of V and W, 16 and Q. So W equals to Q. Q equals to 2 over V, V 16. 16. Okay, so Q equals to 2 over square root 16 is 4. So 2 over 4, 1 over 2. The answer is A. Number 9. It is given that, okay, we highlight the keyword, y varies directly as x plus 4 squared. Okay, so we write down the relation. Y varies directly as x plus 4 squared. So y equals to k x plus 4 squared. The difference between the value of y when x equals to 4. Okay, so we substitute x equals to 4 to this equation first. Then you will have y equals to k, x is 4, so 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, x squared, so you will have 64k. Okay, another one. And the value of y when x equals to negative 8. Okay, so now we substitute x equals to negative 8. So you will have y equals to k, x is negative 8, negative 8 plus 4 squared. So y equals to negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared, you will have 16k. Okay, and the question states that the difference of the value of y, that means this y minus this y, the difference of them is 4. So 64k minus 16k. 64k minus 16k equals to 4. Okay, 64 minus 16, 48. 48k equals to 4. So k equals to 4 over 48. So k equals to 1 over 12. Okay, we have to put back the value of k to the original equation, this one. So y equals to 1 over 12 x plus 4 squared. So the answer is C. Number 10. So the relation is given P varies directly as Q and inversely as R. So the equation will be P equals to KQ over R. Okay, same thing, we have to find the value of K first. So use the first pair of PQR. P equals to 2, Q equals to 3, and R equals to 6. Okay, so 3K equals to 6 times 2, 12. So K equals to 4. Okay, put back the value of K to this equation. So P equals to 4Q over R. Okay, so now we have to use second pair of PQR. This one, 2x and 40. Okay, to find the value of x. So P equals to 2, 2 equals to 4, Q is x, R is 40. Okay, so 4x equals to 28. So x equals to 7. Okay, after that we use the third pair, x, y, and 12. Okay, so we use the same equation, this one. So P equals to x, 4, Q equals to y, over R, R is 2. Okay, we have found that x equals to 7, so we just put the value in. 7 equals to 4y over 12. Okay, so 4y equals to 12 times 7, 84. So y equals to 84 divided by 4, 31. Okay, so x plus y equals to 7 plus 31, which is 28. Answer is dot. Number 11. So you are given this equation. Which statement is true? Okay, so A, B, C, D is all stated P, 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 P. Okay, so we rearrange this equation until you get P equals to K. Okay, this cube root x, we have to move it up. So cube root x. Okay, y squared, we move it down over y squared. Okay, so this is P varies directly as cube root of x and inversely as square of y. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, number 12. So the resistance of a wire, so let's say this resistance is given the symbol capital letter R, varies inversely. Okay, so the keyword is varies inversely as the square of radius small letter r. Okay, so the relation is R, capital letter R, varies inversely means 1 over square of radius, R squared. So R equals to K over R squared. We have to find the value of K. If the resistance is 2 ohm, so R equals to 2, radius is 0.3, so small letter r equals to 0.3. Okay, so capital letter R equals to 2. 2 equals to K over 0.3. 0.3 square. So 2 equals to k. 0.3 square is equals to 0.09. Okay, so 2 times 0.09 equals to k. Therefore, k equals to 9/50. Okay, we put back the value of k to this equation. So capital letter R equals to 9/50 over r squared. Okay, find the resistance when the radius is 0.5. So small letter r equals to 0.5. Capital letter R equals to 9/50 divided by 0.5 squared. Okay, so the answer 0.72a. Last question. Time taken to cut grass in a field varies directly. Okay, so let's say time taken is t. The area of the field is A, and the number of workers is N. Okay, so we highlight the keyword varies directly, varies inversely. Okay, after that we write the relation. So T varies directly as area A, and varies inversely mean over number of workers N. Okay, so the equation is T equals to KA over N. Find the value of K first. So given 2 workers had 3 hours. 2 workers, so N equals to 2. 3 hours, so T equals to 3. Area equals to 1 times 10 power 4. Okay, so we use these 3 values to find the value of K first. So T equals to 3. K. A is 1 times 10 power 4. N is 2. So 6 equals to 1 times 10 power 4 K. So K equals to 6 divided by 1 times 10 power 4. You will have 3/5000. Okay, put back the value of K to the original equation. So T equals to 3/5000 A over N. Okay, then we continue. Find the number of workers. Okay, we have to find N. Needed to cut grass in a field of an area. Okay, so this is A. 4 times 10 to the power 4 in 8 hours. So T equals to 8. Okay, so T equals to A. 3/5000. A is 4 times 10 power 4. 4 times 10 power 4 over N. Okay, N is the unknown. Okay, so 8N equals to 3/5000 times 4 times 10 power 4. Okay, this is 24. So N equals to 24 divided by 8. 3. So the answer is A.